Most lease deals right now are asking for somewhere between $4,000 and $5,000 due at signing. But when we went through every manufacturer offer this month, only 7 came in under $2,500 upfront. And only 2 of those are what I would consider true near zero down deals. I'm Jeff from findthebestcarprice.com. Every month I analyze hundreds of lease deals across every major brand, so you don't have to. Let's start with the strongest value in this group. The 2026 Ram 1500. You're at $469 a month with just over $1,600 due at signing. On a full-size truck, that puts it at about 1.27%, which is the best ratio in this entire low upfront group. Trucks almost never show up in lists like this, and this is easily the strongest value here. Next is the 2025 Ford Bronco. This is one of the only true near zero down deals this month. You're putting down just $499, basically your first payment. The value itself is around average, but the structure is what makes this stand out. If your goal is keeping cash in your pocket upfront, this is one of the cleanest options available. Then the 2026 Ford Mustang. $399 a month with just under $1,400 due at signing. For a sports car, that's actually pretty accessible. The value lands in the average range, but this is one of the few performance leases this month that doesn't require a big upfront payment. Now, the 2026 Chevrolet Trailblazer, $289 a month, just over $1,000 due at signing. This is the cheapest deal on the entire list, both monthly and total cost. It's a smaller SUV, but if your priority is keeping both your monthly and upfront costs low, this is the most affordable option here, and then the lowest upfront cost of any lease this month. The 2025 Ford Bronco Sport, $399 due at signing. That's it, first month only. You're also at $399 a month for 36 months on a vehicle just under $30,000. It's not the strongest value on paper, but if your goal is spending as little as possible on day one, nothing else in the market is coming closer to zero down. There are 2 more deals that technically qualify, but they're a bit more situational. The 2026 Ford Explorer. You're at just under $1,500 due at signing on a 3-row SUV. The value is average, but it's the only option in this group if you need that kind of space. And then the 2026 Ford Ranger, also under $1,500 due at signing, but the value just isn't there. You're paying more per dollar of car than anything else in this group. At the same monthly payment as the Explorer, you're getting less vehicle overall. So stepping back, only 7 deals this month came in under $2,500 due at signing. Most of the market is still clustered around $4,000 to $5,000 upfront. And if your goal is minimizing what leaves your bank account on day one, these are the deals worth looking at. Full list of every lease deal right now is at findthebestcarprice.com. Link in the description. Updated every month.